Yes, thank you so much. We have another module called Tableau First Fundamentals. This one has only 4 units. We shall dive into the first unit. So get to know Tableau is the first unit. So the learning objectives are 2. Encourage you to read through the learning objectives. Watch the video, and if you need to go to the playground, please go to the playground. And at the end of it, you'll go to do the quiz. So what is Tableau Pulse? A platform for Tableau Cloud that automatically builds dashboards, track your data. A platform for Tableau Cloud that monitors your accurate. A platform for Tableau Cloud that provides data insights based on metric you define. A platform for Tableau Cloud where you can save private metrics. So this is number C, platform that provides data insights based on the metrics you defined. Based on the metrics you define, meaning you see, it's essential that it's you to define the metrics. So this is a platform, Tableau Cloud, that provides insights based on the metrics you define. So you have to define the metrics. So page number 2, true or false. Using Tableau Pulse, you can make metric definition that you would normally require building complex calculations in the traditional Tableau user authoring environment. This is true. So check my quiz and then move on. Moving on, go to the second unit of configure your set and permissions. We have 3 learning objectives. I encourage you to read through the learning objectives. You will read to the learning objectives, and at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Users with which site role can add metrics definition. Creator only, creator, explorer, or viewers, creator or explorer, and creator or viewer. So the right answer here is A. Which permission must the user have to create metric definitions from a public data source? View, connect, overwrite, and delete. The right answer is B. I also check my quiz and move on. Moving on, we go to the third unit. So the third unit is understand the metrics and metric definition. So this one has only 2 learning objectives. I encourage you to read the learning objectives. This is so important for reporting. And as you know, Tableau is about data, then tables, and then analysis and insights. So what is a metric definition? What users follow and explore to get insights? What's created when users adjust filters or timed context options? The set of metadata that functions as a single source of truth for the metric related to it, or the interactive objective that sits in front of a definition. The right answer here is C. How are matrices and metric definitions related? Behind every matrix in Tableau Pulse is a metric definition. Metric definition lets you manage the data for related metrics from a single source of truth. Metrics specify metadata for metrics definition. D and is a combination of A and B, and then A and C. So from here, I see A is correct. Behind every metric in Tableau Pulse is a metric definition. And also B is correct. Metric definition lets you manage the data for related metrics defined. So I'll check combination of A and B, which is part B. So D is the correct answer for this. And then now check the quiz. And then I'll move on to the last one. The last unit says, the last unit for this particular module is create metrics definition. So the learning objectives are 5. I encourage you to read the learning objectives, read the notes, and at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz to create metric definitions. Your data source must be embedded in your workbook, not be published, be a single published data source with an extra or live connection, contain multiple and combined data connection to a different data source, database, and files. So the right answer here is C. True or false follows a specific to each related matrix, not to the other matrix definition as a whole. This is true. So I'll check my challenge, and at the end of it, I'll have achieved 100%. And I encourage you, please, to subscribe so that you get new modules on Trailhead Salesforce. Thank you so much. Till then, bye-bye.